Hey guys, it's Cody here, aka Ghost with BlackMountain Airsoft. I'm the team leader, and this is our new channel. I wanted to make the first video just a little overview of the guns that I've purchased. So just sit back, watch, and enjoy. Alright, we're going to start off down here with the Wells L96. Then we have the WE M14 GBBR gas blowback rifle, for those of you who do not know. A JG G36. An HFC revolver. A G&G M4 carbine. Echo 1 Red Star Wolverine. Grenade. And last, and my newest addition, the Echo 1 Red Star RPK LMG. Alright guys, so that's just a basic overview of my weapons. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you soon.